subject is automatic door opening and closing system. Now I would like to about explaining about automatic door opening and closing system. Introduction of automatic doors open and closing system. Opening and closing of doors is always a tedious job, especially in places like shopping malls, hotels, and theaters, where a person is always required to open the door for visitors. Automatic opening and closing of door by sensing anybody movements near the door is achieved with the help of a passive infrared sensor. A motion detector is a device that detects moving objects, particularly people. A motion detector is often integrated as a component of a system that automatically performs. Such automatic door opener systems are very useful as you do not need a person to stand by the door and open it whenever a guest comes. Also, since the doors are opened and closed only when a person approaches the door, there is significantly less loss of air conditioning. Problem statement: opening and closing of doors is always a tedious job, especially in places like shopping malls, airports, hotels, hospitals, and theaters, where a person is always required to open the door for visitors. For people in wheelchairs, like disabled persons, it's very difficult to open the door. In warehouses and other facilities where people frequently have their hands full, contributing to safety and efficiency by making it easier for people to get around. This is the I would like to tell about purpose of open the door, automatic opening and closing the door. The purpose of this document is to give a detailed description of requirements of the automatic opening and closing doors. This will explain the purpose and features of the system, the interfaces of the system, and also intended how it will work and when it open and close the doors automatically. Automatic doors effectively contribute to energy saving and reduce annual heating and cooling costs. The main purpose of it is to provide safety. Scope: this automatic opening and closing will be very helpful for visitors where the huge people supposed arrive, especially in the shopping malls, theaters, hotels, and hospitals. The automatic opening and closing door of the hardware or software requirements are also most important part. First of all, effective and low cost design. Second one, low power consumption and fast response. Third one, automatic doors effectively reduce energy loss by preventing doors being left open. Fourth one, they also provide barrier free access by eliminating manual opening or closing operations. Automatic door opens when the door controller receives an activation signal by the sensor and activate the gear motor to drive the belt and pulley. When no one is detected inside the activation area, the door starts closing after a designated period of time. Overview: embedded systems are computing systems with tightly coupled hardware and software integration, which are designed to perform a dedicated function. Explanation: an embedded system is a combination of computer hardware along with the mechanical or electrical parts and system software to perform some specific task. Microprocessors are commonly referred to as general purpose processors as they simply accept the inputs processors it can give the output. The microprocessor is that these are general purpose electronics processing devices which can be programmed to execute a number of tasks. Compact size, high speed, low power consumption. Microcontrollers are embedded inside devices to control the actions and features of a product. A microcontroller not only accepts the data as inputs but also manipulates it, interfaces the data with various devices, controls the data, and thus finally gives the result. The project automatic door opening and closing using 8051 microcontroller is an exclusive project which is used to control door. Functional requirements. These are represented or stated in the form of input to be given to the system, the operation performed, and the output expected. A live body generally emits infrared energy which is sensed by the passive infrared sensor from a considerable distance from 3 to 4 meters. This sensing signal is fed to a microcontroller to operate a door motor through motor driver IC. When a body approaches within the operating range of the sensor, it sends a logical command to open the door. The door automatically closes with a fixed time delay 5 to 10 seconds. The passive infrared sensor consists of three terminals such as VCC, DOT, and GND, where DOT pin is directly connected to pin 14 AO of Arduino UNO. The system includes DC motor which makes door to slides during opening or closing by rack and pinion gearing, a LCD to display information state of door, an audio buzzer to make sound through the duration of opened door, and a controller for controlling the opening and closing of the door as a person or object detected by sensor. A light emitting diode is a 2 LED semiconductor light source. It is basic PN junction which emit light when activated. External interface requirements of automatic opening and door close. Use interface. The interface provided to the user should be a very user friendly one, and it should provide an optional interactive help for each of the service registered. The PIR sensor detects the infrared energy which emits by the human body and leads to open the door. If the person is on the track of the sliding doors, the doors doesn't close until the person move from the track. Easy to operate and simple to use. A user interface is the means in which a user controls a software program or hardware device. Software interface. Software interfaces, programming interfaces, are the languages, codes, and messages that programs use to communicate with each other and to the hardware. Arduino is an open source hardware and software company, project, and user community that designs and manufactures single board microcontrollers and microcontroller kits for building digital devices. Software interface requirements. In order to perform various different functions, this software needs to interact with various other softwares also. Hardware interface. These are various hardware components with which the machine is required to interact. Various hardware interface requirements that need to be fulfilled for successful functioning of the software are as follows. First one, a live body generally emits infrared energy which is sensed by the PIR sensor from a considerable distance. This sensing signal is fed to a microcontroller to operate a door motor through motor driver IC. The door automatically closes with a fixed time delay. This automatic door opening system project is used to open and close the door automatically using the passive infrared sensor. The hardware and software requirements of this project mainly include these things. First one, Arduino Uno. Second, PIR sensor, power supply, LCD, motor driver L29 3D, connecting wires, microcontroller 8051, DC motor, resistors, wires, jumper wires, safety sensor, and non-functional requirements of automatic opening and closing the door. These are basically the quality constraints that the system must satisfy according to the project contract. A LCD to display information state of door, an audio buzzer to make sound through the duration of open door. Safety requirements are: there will be a safety sensor which are used to prevent the door panels from hitting an object or person near the door or on the door track. Automatic doors require a sensor that detects when the doors needs to open. When the sensor detects a cue, it then sends a signal to the door operating mechanism. After receiving that signal, the mechanism opens the door. The door is left open while the light beam sensor is blocked between a transmitter and a receiver installed on both sides of the door. Security requirements. The doors are manufactured using fiberglass for security purpose. There will be manual door lock 2. For the security purpose. Flexibility. Automatic sliding doors are manufactured according to the highest standards for quality and safety, ensuring minimal maintenance requirements and making them incredibly easy to own, use, and maintain. A human body emits infrared energy in the form of heat, which is detected by the PIR sensor from a particular distance. Then the sensing signal is fed to an 8051 microcontroller to function a door motor via motor driver IC. The maximum voltage for motor driver L293D is 36 volts and minimum voltage is 5V. We have applied 7V of voltage in our project. Today's technologically sophisticated automatic sliding doors are user friendly and virtually self sufficient. It provides disabled and aged people easy access since they are not obliged to open or close the door by themselves. Performance requirement. When the person was in the 5 meters distance, the PIR sensor can sense the infrared energy emitted by the human body or object. When the sensor has sensed that there is a human in front of the doors automatically open in 5 seconds. After sensing with 2 seconds, the signal sends to the microcontroller and it indicates the motor driver to open the door in 3 seconds. If the microcontroller doesn't send any indication within 3 seconds, the doors will be doesn't open. After the doors are open to allow the person and past the doors will automatically close within 5 to 10 seconds. If there is no further movement within the PIR operating range, interrupt signals are used through switches to avoid locked rotor of motor. The diagram is shown below. Structure diagram. Here we can observe the start capture from PIR sensor when the object is coming into the home or any shopping mall or hospital where the sensor is capturing that object. After the motion of object is detected by the sensor and the sensor is sending the signals and sensing that signals to send the microcontroller, and the motor driver IC is received from the signals from microcontroller that have received from the detected motion signals. After receiving the micro driver IC, the signals that will be goes to display on LCD. The audio buzzer also blowed very loudly. When the object is came into the home, the automatically door will be closed. When the object is stand at the only path of the sensing stage, the door will be not closed or any opened also. Data flow diagrams level 0. Level 1, Arduino Uno, safety sensor, LCD, motor driver, PIR, microcontroller, these all are situated at the automatic door opening and closing system. In the level 2, the sensor is working with Arduino Uno, detecting a motion sensing signals, receiving signals to the microcontroller, supplying voltage, and the door motor will be working like a open or close. Use case diagram and automatic door opening and closing. When the person is entering the door sensing part, then the detecting motion will be detecting automatically the reading the signals and sensing the signals sent to the receiving part, where the receiving signals goes to the motor driver IC, then automatically the door will be open. Here we can observe object diagram and activity diagram. These are diagrams of the automatic opening and close the diagrams also, doors also. Collaboration diagram. Here we can observe the collaboration diagram. When the object or any person is entering into the door, the PIR sensor will be sensing what the object is entering or not. First one is detecting motion, then sensing signals sending to the which part, such as like a motor driver IC, then receiving signals in microcontroller, then activation of motor is running, then automatically door is opened, where the 5 to 10 seconds delay also observed, then the door is closed. We can observe the state diagram and component diagrams, user what deployment diagram. Deployment diagram, we can observe the PIR sensor sensing, then Arduino information getting from the microcontroller, receiving signals, testing the physical realization of the system is very vital. This is where the fantasy of the whole idea meets reality. After analysis, the project was implemented and tested to ensure its working ability and was finally constructed to meet desired specifications. The process of testing and implementation involved the use of some equipment such as digital multimeter and signal generators. The digital multimeter basically measures voltages, resistance, continuity, current and transistor HFE. The digital multimeter was used to check the various voltage drops at the stages in the system, and most importantly the infrared receiver stage to help check the references in the comparator circuit. Also, the digital multimeter was used for troubleshooting the soldering and coupling. The project was tested using AC alternating current power supply. The 7805 voltage regulator is used to regulate this voltage to the 5 volts needed by the circuit to operate. At a close distance, when the infrared senses traffic approaching through the space in between the infrared and the receiver, the signal being sent to the receiver is broken, thereby causing the automated slide door to fix the signal and therefore open for 15 seconds and thereafter closes after 15 seconds. Testing and playing with PIR sensor. The sensor in the PIR detects or reads infrared radiation emitted from objects all around us. Each object with a temperature above absolutely zero, that means minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, minus 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 Kelvin, will radiate infrared even as humans, and even though we were humans cannot see this. With special thermal infrared cameras, however, this can be made visible to the human eye. Though thermal infrared cameras are shown above, note that the PIR just uses a relatively simple sensor. It is most definitely not a camera. PIR probability of detection result. We can observe the result of the detection of PIR probability. Testing the Arduino Uno board. To verify that you are receiving correct data, you can test it by setting each channel to ground and power and read the output in the serial monitor. To do this, you need a right to connect between the input connectors and power connectors on the Arduino Uno board. Connect one end of the wire to AO port, connect the other end to GND port. Analog 0 in the serial motor should now read 0.0 volts. Remove the wire from GND and connect it to the 5V. Analog 0 should now read approximately 5.0 volts. Remove the wire from 5 volts and connect it to 3.3 volts. Analog should now read approximately 3.3 volts. Repeat the same procedure with A1, D2 and D3. Did you get the same value from the digital port in both 3.3V and 5 volts? We can check about that. Testing the microcontroller 8051. After we checking or testing the microcontroller, then we can get the digital port in both 3.3V and 5 volts or not. Just upload the code to your microcontroller. If you are using an Arduino based microcontroller, then just use this code. If you have another microcontroller you want to test, then have each of the pins trigger high for a second and then switch to low. After cycling through all of the pins individually, simultaneously trigger all the pins high for a second and then low. Microcontroller 8051. Connect each digital pin of your microcontroller to a channel of your logic analyzer. Turn on your microcontroller with the uploaded code. Check to see that each pin is functioning as intended. If something is wrong, you will see it immediately. Whether the pin is not triggering at all or the timing is wrong, you can easily find the problem using a logic analyzer. Here we can observe the tests of instruction types of requirements: PR sensor, Arduino Uno, microcontroller 8051, door motor, programming code, power supply. The trials of PR sensor is 8 and Arduino Uno 6, microcontroller 5, door motor 5, and other two are no. Detecting object process. The PR sensing process is detecting object. Success of trial 6, failed trials 2. So that has fast. Sending signals of Arduino Uno also 5 success trials, 1 failed trial. That could be an pass. As usually unit testing also. In computer programming, unit testing is a software testing method by which individual units of source code, sets of one or more computer program modules together with associated control data, usage, procedure and operating procedures. Here we can observe the diagram of process: acceptance testing, system testing, integration testing, unit testing. Here the software interfaces such as programming interfaces are the languages, codes and messages that programs use to communicate with each other and to the hardware. Arduino is an open source hardware and software company, project and user community that designs and manufactures single board microcontrollers and microcontroller kits for building digital devices. Software interface requirements: in order to perform various different functions, this software needs to interact with various other softwares. The hardware and software requirements of this project mainly include 8051 series microcontroller transformer, PIR sensor, the sliding door, motor driver IC, diodes, resistors, capacitors, crystal and transistors, KL compiler, language, embedded assembly, integration tests. Let's start with a formal definition. Integration testing is a type of testing meant to check the combinations of different units, their interactions, the ways subsystems unite into one common system, and code compliance with the requirements. Here we can observe the steps of software testing levels. First one is accepting testing. After first one we can observe the unit testing. Then it increases to integration testing. Then it becomes to system testing. Then at the final stage is accepting testing. So when the person was in the 5 meters distance, the PR sensor can sense the infrared energy emitted by the human body or object. Second one, when the sensor has sensed that there is a human in front of the door, the doors automatically open in 5 seconds. After sensing within 2 seconds, the signal sends to the microcontroller and it indicates the motor driver to open the door in 3 seconds. If the microcontroller doesn't send any indication within 3 seconds, the doors doesn't open. After the doors are opened to allow the person and passed the door, the doors will automatically closes within 5 to 10 seconds. If there is no further movement within the PIR operating range, interrupt signals are used through switches to avoid locked rotor of motor. Here we can observe the differences between integration and unit testing. Unit testing, integration testing. The design of the automatic door opening and closing system. The automatic door is designed for everyday use so is an ideal alternative for buildings, shopping malls, hospitals with a large number of visitors. This automatic door opening system project is used to open and close the door automatically using the PIR sensor. The hardware and software requirements of this project mainly include Arduino Uno, PIR sensor, power supply, LCD, motor driver L293D. PIR sensor detects a human being moving around within approximately 10 meter from the sensor. This is an average value as the actual detection range is between 5 meters and 12 meters. PIR sensor are fundamentally made of a pyroelectric sensor which can detect levels of infrared radiation. Most PIR sensors have a 3-pin connection at the side or bottom. One pin will be ground, another will be signal, and the last pin will be power. Power is usually up to 5 volts. Interfacing PIR with microcontroller is very easy and simple. The PIR acts as a digital output, so all you need to do is listening for the pin to flip high or low. The motion can be detected by checking for a high signal on a single input or output pin. Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, light on a sensor activating a motor, turning on a LED, publishing something online. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. To do so, you use the Arduino programming language based on wiring and the Arduino software IDE based on processing to interface PIR sensor with PIC microcontroller, because whenever output of sensor becomes high, we need to read this output with the help of microcontroller. The 8051 considers any voltage between 2 and 5 volts at its port pin as high and any voltage between 0 to 0.8 volts as low. The LED when there is a motion detected, and switch off the LED when there is no motion detected. Output pin of the PIR sensor is connected to port 3.5 pin of the 8051. Components are sensor detector, motor power, auto sensing door road tracks, go door spreader wheel system, timing belt. Some manufacturers use the V belt, lower part of the guidance system. We can observe the schedule and cost of preliminary. The total cost of the project is estimated to be 39,860 rupees. The following table shows details of the cost incurred in the project work. I have done the work of project. The estimated price is 39,860, nearby 40,000. Preliminary schedule. It will take 5-6 months to complete this project. Requirement specifications and analysis 2 to 3 weeks. Design 3 to 4 weeks. For coding with unit testing taken 1 week. Testing 4 weeks and documentation 3 weeks. References are given below. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you everyone. Thanks.